Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to make Indomie with beef meat. This Indomie is going to be mouth-watering, so tasty, good and yummy. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. I have red and green chopped bell pepper, tomato, beef, spring onion, Scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger, olive oil, mushroom, salt, 2 packets of noodles, curry, black pepper and meat stock. These are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. And also in my previous video, I've already prepared Indomie with shrimps. So guys, if you want, you can go and check it out. I will leave the link on top of the screen so you can check it out guys. So as you can see, these are the few ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. I want to say thanks to my subscribers, and for my new subscribers, you are welcome to this channel. So now guys, let's get started. First, this is the water I'm going to use to cook the Indomie. So then I'll put a pan. I'll add the olive oil. Guys, you can use oil of your choice. This is the oil that I like using. Then I'll add my garlic. Now leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. Just 1 minute, not even 2 minutes is too much. Just 1 minute. Then you add your beef. Then you stir it together. When you use your garlic to cook your beef, just give it another nice taste. That is why I always cook my meat with garlic. Then I add some black pepper. I'll leave it to cook for some minutes. Then I'll add my meat stock to give it a nice flavor. Then I just stir it together very well. So after that, the meat is set. Now I will just set it aside. Then I add my onion to the pan with some garlic. Then I add my tomato. So I'll just cook it for about 2 minutes. Add my ginger. Then I will leave it to be cooking. Then I'll add my Indomie. Just put my Indomie inside the boiled water. And add my vegetables, the green and red bell pepper. Add my curry. Then I add my vegetable stock. Guys, this is vegetable. You don't need to cook it too much. You just cook it for 2 to 3 minutes is okay. Then I'll add my spring onion. I'll just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes because I don't want to cook it too much. I add my Scotch bonnet. If you don't want, if you like, you can add Scotch bonnet. Me, I always like hot food. So now I just pour in my noodles. Then I'll mix together very well. Guys, try this out. It's so yummy, so good. I don't need to tell you guys. You need to try it yourself. Then now I'll add my beef meat. Wow. Then I add my mushroom. If you don't like me, I love mushroom. I love it so much. Then I will stir together very well. Add some salt. So I'll add my spring onions, so to give it a little flavor. That is all. It's so easy to do, so simple. But guys, try this out. It's so nice. So as you can see, thanks for watching. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. Please, and before you leave, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. I'm going to see you in my next video. Ciao.